Air horn. Emergency air horn.
Yeah, in the winter time.
Blooper. Doppler!
That is science in action.
Right there, that's science in action. And now for our next lesson, we're gonna learn about combustion.
Classic.
Who invited Bill Nye?
I am recording.
I'm recording you.
Mother.
Hey! Yeah.
I'm glad I'm not the only one that watched that fucking video.
That is a staple in the horn hobby.
Oh yeah.
Absolute staple.
Now that's a good Doppler right there.
Yeah,
They look spinning around.
oh, that's fucking disgusting, dude.
Oh, he did it.
Man, I could really use some water. Oh God.
Speaking tonight. I never expected this to happen at a Sheets.
You know when you laugh so hard you sweat?
This biscuit real good.
It's come on there.
Come here, do it. Who's gonna be the big spoon?
You daddy.
So me and my friend over here, we're driving through the Appalachian Mountains, looking to go do some camping and hunting and stuff. And I don't know what this vehicle is or what about it, but why does that say Jimmy John's Gravy? Who the fuck is this guy?
RS3 at my RS3L, 047 8411.
Hey Nick, go subscribe to Drop Signal. Just kidding. I'm a dead channel.
Huh. You're a dead channel, huh? Well, let's check you out. Oh, why do I subscribe to you? Well, you know what? How about this? Unsubscribe. That's right. I just unsubbed you.
I'm gonna take a nap here.
Hey, Connor, you got 200 cars to switch out
the
with
blanket
one.
your friend gives you at the sleepover.
Hey, I'm recording.
I'm recording.
Hey, I'm recording.
Demonetized! Don't fucking curse or else I'm gonna get demonetized.
I remember when Steven,
That's all, folks.